Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 20 plate approved vehicle that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Now for a walk around the van. To the front of the van you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper you will notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. As you can see, it's got two nice chrome strips in the centre grille. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van, you will notice that it's fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. Moving up, this van is fitted with power folded heated mirrors. Also the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Moving away from the van, you will notice it's fitted with a near side sliding door. As you can see, I've opened the near side sliding door so you can see the load area. To the back of the front seats, you will notice a bulkhead. If I move the camera around, you'll notice that the back of the van is fully wood ply-lined, including the floor. We are now at the back of the van. You will notice that it's fitted with rear barn doors without windows. Moving across the rear bumper, you will notice reverse parking sensors. This van is fitted with standard rear taillights. As you'll also notice, it's got a transporter badge and the VW emblem on the rear doors. I've now opened the rear barn doors so you can inside the load area. As you can see, the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. Across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. Here we have a release catch for the rear doors, and this is the advantage of the catch. This panel van is painted in Ravenna Blue. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrap steering wheel with multifunctional switches. Both doors are fitted with some handy storage. Across the dash you'll notice cup holders and some more handy storage. Moving to the back of the van, you'll notice the rear bulkhead at the back of the front seats. This van is fitted with 3 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. You'll also notice the driver's seat has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I've now finished my walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls in the cab, and I'd also like to show you some key features on the centre media screen. I'm now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me you'll notice mirror and electric window controls. This van is fitted with auto headlights. To this side of the steering wheel you'll notice multimedia functions. To this side you'll notice cruise control. This van has covered 30,013 miles. On this side of the steering wheel you can change settings on the instrument cluster. I'm now going to show you can change radio stations to a more preferred station if needed. To the centre of the dash you'll notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It also has an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here. This system is also fitted with App Connect. This allows you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps on your smartphone, e.g. music or maps. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone. Moving away from the media screen, you'll notice that this van is fitted with a heated front screen for cold winter mornings. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here's the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here you can change the direction of the heat. And here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. Now for a quick recap over the video. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more details on this van, please call 0121 514 0632, and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed video around the van. They'll also be able to talk to you about any finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.